Welcome to our channel. If you're arriving at Narita Airport and traveling to major cities served by the Shinkansen from Ueno, such as Sendai or Kanazawa, the Keisei line is one of the smoothest routes. We'll guide you step by step from Narita Airport to Ueno Station using the Keisei Skyliner, and then show you how to reach the Shinkansen gates at Ueno. Clear signs, station footage, and the actual walking route are included, so you can follow along with confidence. Let's get started. Narita Airport is one of the two main airports serving Tokyo, but it is actually located outside the city. When traveling from Narita Airport by train, there are two main limited express options. One is the Narita Express, operated by JR, which connects Narita Airport with major areas in Tokyo, including Tokyo Station. The other is the Keisei Skyliner, a limited express train operated by Keisei, which connects Narita Airport directly with Ueno Station. Since Shinkansen trains toward northern Japan and the Hokuriku area also stop at Ueno Station, taking the Keisei Skyliner allows you to reach Ueno smoothly and transfer to the Shinkansen without going through Tokyo Station. In this video, we'll focus on this route to Ueno. Narita Airport has 3 terminals, and Terminal 1 has a north wing and a south wing. Train access from Terminals 1 and 2 is similar. Just follow the train signs. Terminal 3 does not have a train station. From Terminal 3, you can walk or take a free shuttle bus to Terminal 2 to access the train station. This guide uses the north wing of Terminal 1 as an example. We're now in the arrival lobby of Terminal 1, North Wing. Look for the signs for trains. Take the escalator down. You are now at the Keisei ticketing area. You can buy your Skyliner ticket online in advance, or here at the ticket machines or the ticket counter. To ride the Skyliner, you need 2 things, a Skyliner ticket and either a passenger ticket or a transportation IC card. The total fare to Ueno is 2,580 yen with a passenger ticket. If you use a transportation IC card at the automatic ticket gate, it's 2,567 yen. In this video, we'll show you how to ride the Skyliner using an IC card and a Skyliner ticket. Now, let's take a look at how to buy a Skyliner ticket at a ticket machine. First, select your language. Next, select Liner Ticket. The screen shows the next available Skyliner. If you want to take a different train, choose Select another liner by the departure time. We'll choose that option here. Select the departure time, then choose the Skyliner you want to take from the list. Next, select Keisei Ueno as your destination. Select the number of tickets. Here, we'll choose 1 adult and 1 child as an example. Next, you can specify seats or choose None Specify. If you choose None Specify, seats are usually assigned next to each other. Next, choose the type of ticket you want to purchase. Select Liner Ticket and Keisei Line Passenger Ticket if you need both. Since we're using an IC card in this video, we'll select Liner Ticket only. Check the ticket details. Then choose your payment method. We'll use a credit card here. Insert your credit card into the ticket machine. Enter your PIN when prompted. It may take a moment for the machine to process. Once it's finished, your credit card and tickets will be returned. Let's take a look at the train number and departure time on the ticket. Note your car number and seat number for boarding. If you're traveling with a child, the child ticket shows this character, and the fare is half the adult fare. Now, let's head to the ticket gate. Insert your liner ticket into the slot. Then tap your IC card. Don't forget to take your ticket back. Follow the signs for the Skyliner to platforms 4 and 5. Now you're at platforms 4 and 5. Check the departure board to see which platform your train departs from. Then look for your car number. The car numbers are shown on the platform screen doors. Once on board, find the seat that matches your ticket. If you have large luggage, you can place it in the luggage space near the doors. The Skyliner takes about 45 to 50 minutes to reach Keisei Ueno. Sit back and enjoy the ride. We've arrived at Keisei Ueno Station. Follow the signs for JR Line and the Shinkansen upstairs. Continue following the signs for JR Line and the Shinkansen. To reach JR Ueno Station, exit through the Keisei ticket gate. Insert your liner ticket and tap your IC card at the gate. Once outside, keep following the signs for JR Line and the Shinkansen. Take the escalator up to street level. When you reach street level, turn left toward JR Ueno Station. Cross the street and walk toward JR Ueno Station. Follow the signs toward the Hirakoji entrance. Go straight to the central gate. Enter JR Ueno Station. The Shinkansen is inside. If you don't have a JR ticket, you can purchase one near the central gate. If you're using paper tickets for the Shinkansen, use them to enter JR as well. Once inside, follow the signs for the Shinkansen. You'll find ticket machines and a ticket office before the Shinkansen gates. You've reached the Shinkansen gates. From here, you can access the Tohoku, Hokkaido, Hokuriku, Yamagata, and Akita Shinkansen. We hope this guide helped you get from Narita Airport to the Shinkansen gates at JR Ueno Station. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more Japan travel guides. Thank you for watching.